Yes, welcome to this tutorial and welcome back again to No Max TV. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the 10 shortcut keys that are helpful and that may help you to finish your work fast, to save your time, and also to complete your work ahead of time efficiently. So everyone wants to finish his or her work on time, ahead of time, and also make sure that it is efficiently completed. By using these shortcut keys, you can be able to save your time. It is a good thing if you can be able to complete your work, your 30-minute work, and also be able to complete it in 5 minutes or in 10 minutes. It all depends upon the work you are doing and also the method you are using to do that work. So as I have data here is the one I want to be using, and also be demonstrating how you can be using those shortcut keys. Also I want to be looking for each and every one to see how we can be applying it to our data in Microsoft Office Excel and also be able to finish our work fast. So remember also to subscribe to this channel TV, like this video, share this with your friends, and also if you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. So without wasting time, let's get started. We are going to be starting with the first shortcut keys, which is also about adding borders. So when you talk about adding borders, also that is where we need to add borders to our data in Excel to be bordered or to be in table form. So to add the borders, also that is where we have also to press at plus H plus B plus A. Also you need to place this shortcut in chronological order so that you can be able to also to apply the function. Now let's come to our data and also be able to apply this shortcut and see how we can be using it. So I have to place Control A in normal way and select all data that I want to be applying the shortcut. Then also I have to come and place at H B A. So you have to make sure that you place them in chronological order to ensure that is going to be applying at HBA. As you see, now I have already applied the borders to my table. So which means I have also applied table to my data or borders, which means now my data are all bordered. So I want also to remove this one. If I want to be removing also the borders, that is where I have also to come here and apply Control Shift. So I have to apply Control plus Shift plus minus. So if you want to be also applying removing borders, that is where I had to place Control plus Shift plus minus. So now that is where we have also to come here and also apply to our data. So I have to come here, it is still selected. I have to place Control Shift plus now minus or negative. So Control Shift negative. As you can see, now my data are unbordered, which means I have already removed the borders from my table. The third shortcut keys that you can use in your Microsoft Office Excel also to fasten your work is also Control plus 1, which is also about opening the formatting dialog. So if I place Control plus 1, is Control plus 1. So that is where I'm going to be opening the formatting dialog in my data. So I have to come here, and also if I want to be selecting the given kind of data, either column or row, then also you hit Control plus 1. So that is where also to be opening the formatting dialog or the formatting dialog cells, where you can be able to choose either you want to be formatting the numbers, you want to be formatting the currency, you want to be formatting the font, alignment, field protection, and others. So it all depends on also what you want. So the fourth shortcut key that you can use is also about naming the cell or cell range. So if you want to be naming the cell or cell range, also you have to press Control F3. So if you press Ctrl F3, you're going to be seeing the option to be able to name the cell or the cell range. Now let me come in my data and also press Ctrl F3. As you can see, I have an option also for the name manager, where I can be editing the name, also add the name here. You can see I have the name, which is now the date of today. I need also to be adding the given one that I want. So it's also all depends on the name you want to be also putting to your name range or to your cell. So the next shortcut key that you need to use also to fasten your data is also about inserting function. If you want to insert function in your worksheet on your Excel data, that is where you have to press Shift plus F3. So if you press Shift plus F3, also you can be able to add also the function, or to insert the function in your data. So to do this, now let's see how we can be also doing this. We are going to be coming to our data and also press Shift and also F3. As you can see, we can also be able to insert our functions to our data. Shift F3. Yes, you can be able to insert functions to our data. Also, it all depends on what you want to be inserting the function to. That is where also they are telling you which either lookup, references, databases, logical information keep. You can see we have also a web matrix, statistical. So this is where also you can choose the given function you want to be adding. You see, if you choose maybe database functions, that is where you come to these ones. Logical matrix, you can see it's all depends on the given functions also you want to be adding. So the next one, the next shortcut key you need to use, which is also helpful, is also to add a more function. Adding more function, that is where you need also to press @MQ. So if you press @MQ, plus M plus Q, that is where also you will be opening more functions. So let's come to our data and press yes, I press OK. So @MQ, yes, @MQ. You can see also you are going to be opening more functions. As you can see, that is where you open either statistical, engineering, information, compatibility, web, and others. It all depends on also what function you want to be applying, and also you can be choosing that function. Also, there is another shortcut key that will be helping you to sum or to auto sum all numbers, also to make a total, to make automatic total, automatic sum in your Excel function. So that is also where I want to be hitting also @ plus equal. So if you place @ and equal, also that is where also you are going to be auto summing data. So let me come here. For example, here also specifically we have to first select the given cell or row or even a column that you want to be auto summing. And also, if even though we don't select, if I put my cursor there and also I place @ plus equal, that is automatically going to be making the sum. You can see it automatically insert the sum. Also, if I press enter, that is where I'm going to be getting the answer, obtaining the answer from also those data which also are summed up. Also, the shortcut number 7 also is about number 8. That is also about selecting the entire column. So if you want to be selecting the entire column, also you have to come and apply this shortcut. So if I place Control plus space, so that is also where you have to select the entire column. So to do this, let me come here to my Excel data. So if I come to my Excel data or in my worksheet, then I press Control plus space. Also, that is where I'm going to be selecting the entire column, either entire column, either entire. Then as you can see, I have this one. If I press another one, if I'm in this column, that is also where I can press control space and also select entire column. So you want to be selecting the entire column because maybe it's the one you want to be performing the operations to only, and also it might be helpful as well. The shortcut number 9 is also about page break view. Also, you want to be watching or to be viewing the page, how to be looking like in a single page. Also, that is where you want to be also viewing the page as the page which is breaking, which is separated from the worksheets. Also, you can come and apply this shortcut and also be able to see it fast. So what we do is also to press at WI. So this shortcut is also called at W plus W plus I. So if I press at plus W plus I, also that is where I can also be able to do that. So let me now show you this, how it is going to be working. So plus at plus WI. Now let me come in my Excel data and also press W at WI. So if I press at WI in my data, you can see I have page 1. It's like also the page which is black, and also it's a single page also, but they are showing me how my data will be looking like on the single page. Also, you see they have hidden everything behind. Also, only the data that I have are seen on the single page. So if you also you want to remove the duplicate, which is the last shortcut key I have also prepared to show you today, is also about using this shortcut. You want to be removing the data which are duplicated in your entire data. You want to be removing the data which are duplicated in your entire column, in your entire rows. Also, that is where you have to do to apply this shortcut. So what you need to do is also to press at AM. So that if you apply this at AM, also you can be able to remove duplicates. Now let's come here and also maybe select all the data we have in our worksheet, then press at AM. So as you can see, they are also asking us to choose where we want to be removing the duplicates. So to do the duplicate value, select one or more columns that contain duplicates, either names, city, and others. So now let me choose this one or remove this one, and also continue. So you can see they are telling me that there is no duplicate values which has been found. If there was a duplicate, also that is where also I can be able to remove it easily, and also I can be able to manage it easily, and also that will be easy for me than going through my data, looking one by one, looking one by one, which can be complex task for me. Thank you for watching this video. This is also how you can use these 10 shortcut keys and also be able to fasten your work. As you can see, if you are using shortcut keys, it may be easier for you because you don't have to spend a lot of time exploring each and every task in your Microsoft Office Excel work, but also using shortcut keys is going to be fast and easier for you to finish your work fast. Also, remember to like this video, share this with your friends, and tap notification bell button so as you always get notified when I upload new video here at Max TV. I hope also to be sharing with you more about Excel and also more about Excel data and formula shortcuts that you can be using also to complete our work fast. Thank you for watching this video.